Hey everybody, how are you? This is Eric. I'm from openaceai.com. Really happy to have you today, and we wanted to demonstrate how to freshly install OpenAce on your machine, on your computer. Now, I'm going to just go over today the Mac OS, and it's really important to note this is not your typical download of a software. This is you're installing an agentic AI machine into your machine, right? So it's way more powerful. It's amazing. Great way to actually increase your net profits in your business. So we're going to go ahead and start real quick. We're going to go ahead and copy this. And then you want to open up your terminal. You want to paste and you want to hit start. Okay. So what this does is it's a package. It downloads basically Git and Node.js together on your computer if you do not have that. I do, so it's a tad bit a little bit more it's a little easier for me. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and CD OpenAce and we're gonna go ahead and start. Now, what this does is it actually pops up at onboarding, and I'll go over that onboarding with you very shortly. But what that onboarding does is it takes you to the terminal, which is your desktop, and this is where the magic happens. And we're really excited to actually teach you more about that. So today we're just learning about how to install OpenAce AI onto your Mac OS. Have a good day. Bye bye.